Which of the following casts most doubt on the artificial synapse's goal of becoming part of a brain-like computer? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, not achieving higher energy efficiency even after programming 1000 states. The third paragraph mentions that the artificial synapse uses 10,000 times more energy than biological synapse. So poor energy efficiency is a challenge in front of artificial synapse. So if higher energy efficiency cannot be achieved, it's going to present a hurdle. But the passage also mentions that researchers are trying to achieve that higher efficiency through smaller synapse devices. So this answer choice does not necessarily cast doubt on the success of artificial synapse. Let's keep this answer choice on hold. Let's see if we have a better answer choice. Answer choice B, the energy required by a biological neuron is slightly higher than previously believed. This answer choice indicates that the neuron is slightly less energy efficient than previously believed. That means this difference of 10,000 times is likely smaller. So if the difference between the energy efficiencies of artificial synapse and biological synapse is smaller, then it can be inferred that it is easier to achieve this goal than previously believed. So this answer choice strengthens rather than weakens the possibility of success. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, a more accurate prediction of voltage required for particular electric state of the artificial synapse. The second paragraph mentions that this prediction is already accurate within 1%. So improvement in this percentage or getting the prediction within 0.5% of uncertainty is an improvement in the functioning of synapse. However, the passage doesn't suggest that improvement in prediction will lead to better energy efficiency. And energy efficiency is what is preventing artificial synapse from reaching its goal. So this answer choice is not relevant to assess the possibility of the success of artificial synapse. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, tests on smaller synapse devices do not demonstrate any increase in energy efficiency. The third paragraph mentions that researchers are hopeful that they can achieve neuron level energy efficiency by testing on smaller synapse devices. So if these tests are not successful, it indicates a hurdle in reaching the energy efficiency of neurons and casts doubt on the goal that artificial synapse will become part of a brain-like computer. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, a development in digital transistors. The third paragraph mentions that digital transistors are part of traditional computers. So this development doesn't cast any doubt on the success of artificial synapse. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Between answer choice A and D, D is the better answer because the passage has a direct reference to smaller synapse devices. D is the correct answer.